Hi teacher, my name is Sebastian Lopez. I'm going to show you my family tree. He's my father. My father is Francisco Lopez and his nickname is Pacho. He's a 58 years old. He works in security as a guardian security man. He was a good tejo player. She's my mother. Her name is Irma. She is 51 years old. She enjoys cooking and has a passion about plants. She worked as a caregiver. Nowadays, she's a housewife. And I have two sisters. The first one is Jessica. She's my older sister. She's 30 years old. She works for the States. I remember when she was riding motorcycle, but she got pregnant and had to stop. Finally, my younger sister is Lisette. Her nickname is Liz. She's 20 she's 28 years old. She's a professional accountant and now she's bowling.